How to sign up for a new account on AdCreative AI. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on AdCreative AI. So for that, you can just open your web browser and search for AdCreative AI and hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here, go to adcreative.ai. Now you can find the login button right here on top, and you can click on try for free now. So if you just go ahead and click on it, you can enter your email address, password, full name to sign up. So if you sign up today, you can get 10 free downloads. If you don't have an account, if you do have an account, you can go to the login page. If not, you just sign up for a new account. So I'll just create a new account for myself right here after filling out these details. And once you've done that, you just click on sign up to get 10 free downloads. Once you have done that, you can add your card details. So just go ahead and add your cardholder name, card number, your expiration date, CVV, start your free trial. Once you have done that, you can get a trial reminder, and there your trial will end as well. So that's how you basically sign up for a new account on AdCreative AI. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.